Hey guys, it's Mark. I want to welcome back to the channel. We're all about racing. Today we're going to take a really close look at this 143 scale Porsche 911 GT3 R 992. That of Huber Motorsports that competed in 24 Hours Nürburgring in 2023. You may have recognized the car in this week's qualifying races for the 2026 24 Hours of Nürburgring. As you can see, this is a theme-based box. The back of it has such, as you've probably seen before in other cars that I have. And this apparently was a Germany exclusive model, because I've never seen Spark Germany, Nordscheife, like I have on this car. I've checked the labeling of many other cars. Thought that was kind of unique. Well, folks, Huber Motorsports was founded in 2008 by Reinhard Huber and is based out of Albusching, Germany. The team claims to have found their home at the Nürburgring at the legendary Nordschleife, as they are a fixture in the endurance series. The team originally started with a BMW Z4, but since 2019 have been racing a Porsche 911 GT3 exclusively, and this is one of those. This unique Spark 143 model, as I mentioned, is that of their 2023 model that competed at the 24 Hours of the Nürburgring. Now, the livery of this is very distinctive with the blue and the red side, the blue side, and the white center, and I'm sure you probably saw this. I know it wasn't a fixture in the race this weekend, but you may have seen it in the background shots, because I think the race got a lot of publicity because of the fact that Max Verstappen was competing in it, but this livery you certainly cannot miss. Really nice looking work by Spark. The beautiful carbon splitter. The headlights are spectacular. Every detail of the front is really sharp. I just love the blue and the red sides, the blue and red mirrors. And guys, here's a look at the car from the blue side. Wheels and tires nicely done, as you would expect from a Spark car. See the McDonald's logo there, Total Energies, and you'll also see the air jack hoop there. Now, one thing I particularly like about Spark cars is the name that you generally have the drivers here. I see Roman Dumas, Lawrence Kearns, I see Ledegar, and D. Fetzer. I have no idea who that gentleman is. But guys, as you can see, this is just a really nicely done model. I absolutely love the livery. Notice the cool aerials that you have there. And one thing I like about Spark is just their, I guess you could say, their consistency in doing everything right. And I mean, that just looks absolutely phenomenal. There you can see the names of the drivers on the top of the window panel there. Just take a look back, you can see some of the interior details. As I mentioned before, you can see that air jack hoop, and that's a tiny piece to put on a model car, not easy to do. There's a look into the cabin. You see Gran Turismo. See the tear-off sheets there. Also notice the little tiny emergency hoops again that you have under the hood. And guys, there's a cool look at the red side of the car. And finally, what I like to call the money shot, that is the rear of the car. I just think that is where these cars are just the most badass looking. I love, again, the work that Spark does. Notice this was a limited edition model, only 76 out of 300 of these built. Apparently distributed almost exclusively in Germany from the labeling I saw. I'm not exactly sure who I bought this model from, but there's a cool look at the exhausts, the rear tail lights. That red, white, and blue livery, again, just looks absolutely fantastic. And there's a cool look at Porsche on the rear wing. Another look into the interior of the 25 car. All right, folks, with that, I'm going to wrap it up. Hope you've enjoyed this. Nice seeing you again. Take care. See you next time.